How to resize video in Capcut PC. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can resize video in Capcut PC, so let's dive in. So first open up your Capcut app and import any project on your track. Just click this plus and then it's going to be on the track. Now to resize it, you simply have to come to this orientation option over here and just choose the orientation that you would like and you can resize it. For example, you can just choose any orientation over here and then you can just choose its orientation and resize it. Also, you can just come over here. This is the video editing section, and here you have to just scroll through and find the scale option, and here you can just scale this video and then you can just resize it wherever you like it to be. Like, you can just resize it over here, or you can just drag these corners over here once you see them and you can resize the video. So that's how you resize video in Capcut PC. Thanks for watching.